And hello everybody, this is Eric, and this is a RETALICON with the Walker pump action kit, and the stock is with this 3D printed kit is much stronger, and the 7km spring inside. Okay, let's see how powerful it is. Oh my god, it is almost outside the wall. As you can see, the 7kg spring is very powerful. Okay, hello everyone, I am Eric. Today I'm going to show you how to modify your Recon to a Retaliator. First, open your Recon and put all the Retaliator internals, including this. So, put all these parts together. Okay, and you will still find there's a big problem. Is the spring. It has nowhere to block to stop here. So I create this 3D print part, and I will share it on Thingiverse for free. Remember, don't screw this and this, so you can slightly open the shell and put in. Okay, so you will see it's done, and it's useful and very easy. Thanks for watching.